All right, y'all. I had a family member ask me about the AWS CCP, the Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. So we talked about it, and I just figured that I should make a video about it. Probably going to catch some flack about this, but AWS, they positioned the CCP exam as a beginner friendly, no IT background experience needed. And sure, they can advertise that, but guys, I honestly don't think that the AWS CCP is a true, oh, hey, I want to start getting into IT. I heard this AWS cert is awesome. Let me just get into it. Oh, and then what kind of experience do you have? No IT experience, no grasp of the concepts. I really think that if you did that and you went down that route, you are going to have a very hard time. I will always recommend the CompTIA A plus as a true beginner if you are trying to go down the IT path. Okay, if you're trying to work with technology and be technical, I highly recommend starting from the ground up with the A plus. The AWS CCP, I mean, even on their website, they recommend it for people with that don't have an IT background. So they're really talking about like if you're trying to get into sales or marketing or some kind of management in the cloud realm, then you can start going down that cloud route. But if you have no experience and you start delving into that, you're going to be asking yourself, oh, like what's a network? What does IP addressing mean? What's a VPC? What are firewalls? What are switches? What's a VLAN? What's a VPN? What does shared security model really mean? You can study all this shit, regurgitate it, and pass an exam. But when time comes for you to perform an actual job function, are you going to actually be able to do your job? Can you make it applicable, right? You've learned all this stuff and now you're at a job or you're trying to go for a job, you're in an interview and they're like, all right, explain this to me, explain that to me. They're going to want to know, how are you using this knowledge in real life? What does it actually mean to be setting up networks in the cloud, right? Your virtual networks, your VPCs, your firewall, your ACL rules, right? Like your access control list. This is more than just being able to study for an exam and regurgitate it just for the sake of passing an exam. There's more to this. All right, guys, you actually have to learn this and be able to apply it. All right, it's not just about passing an exam and then thinking you're going to be all sweet and dandy going forward. All right, okay, guys, that's my rant. AWS cert, the CCP. Like I said, if you want to go do it, I'm not going to stop you, but I highly recommend that it's not the absolute true beginner cert if you're trying to get into IT and go down a technical path. I think the CompTIA A plus is the way to go.